Hello. So today I'm going to test my new quest based on my favorite universe and my favorite character. And can you guess who is it? Well, so it will be Geralt of Rivia, so the Witcher. I decided to create some exercises based on our Russian state exam, and I'm going to have this lesson with my student. Her level is B2, but I think that it should be quite difficult for her just because I used a lot of authentic materials. So let's see how it will be.
So the
Mhm,
easiest one, it looks like a necklace, but
mhm.
maybe with a special magic, I don't know, meaning.
Is it a medallion?
Yes.
Okay. So then, it is a girl. She wears only black and white, and she's a magician. Okay, and here we have some vocabulary. But before that, let's discuss some questions which we have here. So can you please read the first one and answer?
How did you learn about The Witcher? Actually, I think that I saw it in the list of the top serials from Netflix,
Mm-hmm.
most popular.
Mm-hmm. Was it interesting from the beginning?
Uh, 50-50. But for me, the beginning was a bit boring and dull.
Mm-hmm. I agree with you.
Just too puzzled.
Yes, exactly. You know, even for me, that was quite complicated to understand what's
Yes.
going on. Okay, number two.
No,
Hmm.
never.
Okay, let me change a bit this question. Do you want to read the books or play the games?
Maybe I want to read, but recently I was in a bookstore and I just saw that there are maybe more than 20 books, or I don't know, 30.